The 2024 BMW X1 SUV, newly made by the German masterpiece BMW, is now waiting for its buyers, and today I will try to give you all the information about this SUV. Engine, transmission, and performance. Entry-level xDrive 28i models are powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that makes 241 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard, as is a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The X1 xDrive 28i. We tested shot to 60 mph in 5.4 seconds. Acceleration feels a bit less perky in the real world, as there's turbo lag that's noticeable during highway passing or merging maneuvers. Its suspension is tuned for athletic handling, which makes the X1 a fun drive for twisty roads. Car lovers, don't forget to subscribe and like for content. The starting price of this 2024 model SUV is $41,495, and depending on the equipment, the final price is determined as $50,895. An optional M Sport package, don't get this confused with the M35i model, adds performance-enhancing features such as an adaptive suspension system and steering wheel-mounted shift paddles. The M35i, meanwhile, is the highest performance version of the X1 and boasts a 312 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, an adaptive suspension system, and upgraded brakes. We haven't tested that model yet, but BMW says it will hit 60 in 5.2 seconds. But we think it'll be even quicker than that. When we test it, we'll update this story with details. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA estimates that the X1 xDrive 28i should deliver 25 mpg city and 34 mpg highway. The M35i model doesn't have fuel economy estimates yet. When we have a chance to test the X1 on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, we'll update this story with the results. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the X1 sports. A modern interior design that includes such features as a toggle switch shift lever, a floating center console, and an all-digital dashboard. Designer elements pepper the cabin, including textured speaker grills and available eucalyptus open-pore wood trim. All models come with dual-zone automatic climate control, ambient interior lighting, and a power liftgate. A panoramic sunroof, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel are all options. Infotainment and connectivity. BMW's latest iDrive 9 infotainment system is integrated into its smallest SUV. Like the larger iX electric SUV and the flagship 7 Series sedan, the X1's digital dashboard is a crisp-looking single panel that serves as both a gauge display and an infotainment screen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included, as is Sirius XM satellite radio. A wireless smartphone charging pad is optional, and the premium package adds a head-up display, a Harman Kardon stereo system, and a 360-degree exterior camera system. Safety and driver assistance features. All X1s come standard with basic driver assistance features, such as automated emergency braking and parking sensors. But more advanced tech is optional, including a self-parking feature and adaptive cruise control with lane centering. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning and blind spot monitoring, available adaptive cruise control with a lane centering feature, warranty and maintenance coverage. BMW's limited warranty and powertrain protection are ordinary for the class, but the company sweetens the deal with 3 years of free scheduled maintenance. The Lexus NX and Lincoln Corsair offer the same limited warranties, and they provide 6-year or 70,000-mile powertrain coverage, but both come with shorter periods of complimentary scheduled maintenance. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary scheduled maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.